exact same photo. As always, we talk about this in every video, as every other piece of material. Here, one sec, let me move a bunch of. We've gone with the same colors. I have been in transitioning all of my navy blue out and into this beautiful kind of baby blue that is also going to be paired with the lilac that I'm working with. I wanted to represent more of a family-friendly feel, and for that reason, I have moved away from the darker colors. I want to be easy on the eyes. I want my material to live a long time in people's homes. I don't want them to look at it and think it's too much and put it away. A lot of the material I have, you wouldn't even notice it was sitting on a white counter. It just kind of goes with. And studies have shown that blue is the most favorable color to use in advertising because everybody likes the blue. It's calming. From there, the card is simple. You 30,000 of these a year. Maybe more. The larger my team got, I think at some point we were going through like 10,000 of these a month. Like it was wild. And I think they're adorable. I love my new branding. It's just so easy on the eye. I would definitely call her to list my house. You know what I like about the baby blue too, instead of like the black sexy look, is any wife is gonna call me, any mother, anyone. I think the more, sometimes the look can deter other women from working with women, and I would keep that in mind when designing your card. It's something I took into consideration after many years in this business, and it has served me well to change my marketing somewhat in the material I hand out to be more of a family-friendly vibe. Something more neighborhood matching, I don't know.